This is a room review at the new Virgin Resort, room 2924. This is a Canyon Chamber King room. They did have the clean sticker on the door when I got in here. And as you enter, the closet is right here. It's kind of nice and it's kind of funky. It has this curtain right there. But there is two luggage areas, which is nice. Safe, your ironing board and iron are right here, and a drawer for storage. And I think that's so you can put your shoes down there. I like that. And storage up above. Right over here is, I guess, a desk, and it's also a nice little vanity, and it has charge ports. I really enjoy that. A chair right here. That'll be nice to put my makeup on tonight. That is the living room area. Right here is a door. I'm a little confused about the door. I think this originally had a door right here when it was Hard Rock. So I'm mostly staying here to see the difference. I've stayed here many times. And also it's a little funny that I am in the same room number that I was in the last time I stayed here. So that's kind of weird nostalgia for me. So you come in, there's a big mirror so you can check yourself before you hit the strip. Shout out to the Vegas Paradise and the Ace of Vegas. Over here is your sink. It's okay. I would have liked a double sink, but I think you have to upgrade to get that. I purposely wanted the chamber room because I wanted the old tower to overlook the pool area, but there's something about that. We'll get to that right now. So under here is a hair dryer, extra mirror, extra towels. Here's the restroom area, another mirror right here, and the toilets with the shower area. I like that it's separate from the sink area. Here's your full shower. There's a cute little bench so you can sit. You could shave your legs with that. Really nice shower heads and really good water pressure. I checked it out already. Oops. Let's go this way. And this is the main living area. Over here you have like a bar cart. Got some stuff we're not gonna touch because it costs too much. Very nice big screen TV. Under here is the mini bar that's fully stocked, but I am not opening that up because we are not paying for that. Cool funky little light over here. And here is the bed area. Interesting bed. It's very comfortable. I did, as you can see, sit on it. I don't know what I feel about these little boasters. They look more like a lounge instead of a bed, but maybe that's what they're trying to do, is make it look like a cool, like, studio vibe. Over here, we got some strange little tables that look like stools. I really appreciate this. Here's your room controls that are right by the bed, and charging ports and plugs next to the bed. I really like that. Air conditioning, of course, which we got cranked up to 63. Nice hardwood floors, some area rugs. Over here is a charging station for your phone if you have that sort of phone that you can do that with. I don't have that yet. Nice big clock. Nice pillows. The pillows are excellent. I will say that. I really like this cool artwork. It's really neat. Over here you have sort of a couch situation and a table. I think it does swivel. It swivels just a bit. So you can eat a meal, have some friends over. That's nice. Cool little chandelier over here. But I don't know how I feel about this place. I have a really petty, weird thing about me. I can't stand orange. I hate the color orange. So of course, everything is accent in orange here. So kind of puts me off a little bit, but I know that's just me. So I'm going to give it a fair shake and see how I feel about it in the morning. I will also give you a shot of the view over here. This is the only thing I'm a little disappointed in. I purposely booked this room so that I could open up this, and there is a lock and an alarm on the door, so you can't open it. So that's rather disappointing to me. Over here, you can see that's where the pool area is. I don't think the pool is open yet. I believe it doesn't open till May. So this is all the new parts that they're building. I think this is gonna be the day club right here. And there's like a VIP area. And over there, they took out the other part of the pool and they made it a grass area. I believe that's where rehab used to be, over there and right here, because that's where the stage was at one point, over there. And there's another pool area over there. I'm gonna see if I can go down there tomorrow, but I doubt it. So we'll see. So this was a room tour of the Canyon Chamber King Room. If you liked it, please thumbs this up and subscribe. And until next time.